Hello everyone. So we are done with the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. This time, we are to find the arithmetic series and the geometric series. Always remember, when we are talking about series, this is always the sum or simply the totality, yung kabuuan ng given terms natin. So sa definition, this is the sum of n number of terms of an arithmetic sequence. Since arithmetic series tayo, we are to deal with arithmetic sequence and get the sum of the n number of terms. So, meron tayong dalawang process on how to find this one. Kapag naman mababa lang yung mga number of terms na kailangan, you just need to list down the numbers until the nth term kung ano yung hinahanap. Tapos, add mo lang sila. Then, the answer will be the arithmetic series na. So, para mas maunawaan nyo yan, later, we will be having an example po. Then, you can also use, for the second way, use the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Kung mapansin nyo, if I will be removing this part, S sub n hanggang number 2, this is considered the arithmetic sequence. So, para mas masaulin nyo lang, you just need to add n over 2 and number 2 in front of that formula. So, n still stands for the number of terms. A sub 1 is the first term. And letter D is our common difference. So, let's try this one. Para mas maunawaan, the problem is find the sum of the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence 3, 5, 7. So, let's have the way number 1, the strategy number 1. So, 3, 5, 7. These are just 3. We are finding for the sum of the 6 terms. So, you must find the other 3 para makarating ka dun sa pang-anim na number. So, paano makakarating dun? Let's continue the pattern. So, the pattern here is adding by 2. So, adding by 2, we have 7 plus 2 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus 2 will be 13. So, these are now 6 numbers. Kasi nga, 6 terms hinahanap natin eh. Then, after you list down, nilista na natin sila, we add them all together. Yung lahat ng numbers na yon i-add natin. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 7 is 15, plus 9 is 24, plus 11 is 35, plus 13 is 48. So, again, ayan po ang ating magiging sum of the first 6 terms. Unang 6 na number, sabi niya. Then, nilista natin kasi tatlo lang yung given. Kinumpleto yung 6. So, this 6 will now be added to get 48. How about if we will be using the strategy number 2? The formula is S sub n over 2, multiplied by 2a sub 1, plus n minus 1, times d. Sorry for this one. So, yan. So, let's list down first our variables, the values. For the first term, we all know that the first term is number 3. The first number. And our difference, we can get this by subtracting the second number, a sub 2, minus the a sub 1, which will become 2. So, d is equal to 2. Then, our letter n is, so, n will be the number of terms we are finding. So, we are finding for the sum of the 6 terms. So, 6. Using these 3 numbers, 3, 2, and 6 for a sub 1, difference and letter n, we are now substituting. N will be number 6. 6 over 2. The constant 2 there. The a sub 1 is number 3. Plus, our n is 6 minus 1 times the difference of 2. So, using PEMDAS, unahin natin yung nasa pinakaloob. So, this one and this one. So, copy everything muna. 6 over 2. 2 times 3 is 6. We all know that 6 minus 1 is 5. Since meron pa rin tayong parenthesis sa loob ng isang grouping symbol, we simply multiply this again. 6 over 2, 6. 5 times 2 will become 10. Then, since meron pa rin tayong grouping symbol, 6 over 2, 6 plus 10 is 16. Sir, we are afraid on fractions. So, pag nagmumultiply ng fractions, always remember, may over 1 sa ilalim ang ating whole number. Since 16 is a whole number, meron siyang over 1. Ayan po. Then, you can multiply now our numerator by the numerator, denominator by the denominator. Ang term ko dyan, taas sa taas, baba sa baba. So, 6 times 16, based on our calculator. So, para makita nyo po, 6 times 16 is 96. 2 times 1 is 2. Then, we divide this 96 by number 2. So, the answer is 48. So, this simply means that if you will be using the first way, which is to list down all the numbers until the nth term, kung ilan yung terms na hinahanap, then add them up, this will be also the same with the answer if you will be using the formula. You also came up with number 48. So, to rediscuss, we have arithmetic series. This is the sum of n number of terms of an arithmetic sequence. Pag series ang hinahanap, we are talking about sum. So, you are just having the totality of the terms asked or being asked by the question. So, there are two ways to get the arithmetic series. The first is to list down the numbers until the nth term. Ilista nyo lang hanggang makita nyo yung numbers na yon using the pattern. Tapos, i-add nyo lang sila all together. The second formula is, or the second way is to use the formula S sub n equal to n over 2 times the 2a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So, ito po, ito siya. Sa unang way, inibista lang natin yung lahat ng 6 na terms because it's asking for the 6 terms. We use the pattern. So, the pattern here is adding by number 2. Ayan po. So, we come up with the answer 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 as we added them up. So, this will come up with 48. The same way, for the strategy number 2, you just need to list down all the variables or all the values for the variables a sub 1, the difference, the letter n. Then, you just need to substitute all the values to our formula. Ayan po. Use PEMDAS para umayos or mas tama yung maging sagot nyo. Then after that, always remember when you have fractions, if this is a whole number, always there's over 1. So pag whole number siya, there's always number 1 at the denominator. So taas sa taas, 96, baba sa baba, 2. We multiply them. 6 times 16 is 96. 2 times 1 is 2. Then we divide 96 by 2. That is 48. So that's all for our arithmetic series. Thank you.